I am from central Wisconsin. I'm from a town called Princeton. It's a really small town, middle of nowhere. I decided I wanted to be a Badger initially because I was really interested in art. I wanted to go to college for art, and I had prior experience working in a very specific field, glassblowing, and I worked in a production shop. So I wanted to go to college for glasswork specifically. So I was looking at colleges in the area, and Madison's closest to home, biggest, and had the best glass program. So here I am.
Some things that really excite me about the program I'm in currently is I really like the multidisciplinary approach to craft and like making and design. I find that a multidisciplinary approach is a lot more beneficial for me as a person, as I like to have many skills or things that I can use at my disposal rather than maybe studying one thing.